Your car just died in a whiteout at -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Do these steps first, or you're in real trouble. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a 10-step survival plan backed by FEMA and winter rescue data. Scenario: you're alone, limited gear, and there's no cell signal. Stay with the car. It's shelter, a windbreak, and a giant signal. Most fatalities happen when people wander off. Every 20 minutes, clear the exhaust. A blocked exhaust can fill the cabin with carbon monoxide, silent and deadly. Run the engine 10 minutes per hour to save fuel. Warm up, then shut off. Keep a window slightly cracked for fresh air. Insulate you, not just the car. Layer up: hat, gloves, dry socks. Trap heat with a blanket or spare jacket, hands and feet first. Save your battery. Cabin lights off. Phone on low power. Text, don't call. Send one location text when you have service. Stay dry. Crack a window to vent moisture and prevent fog. Wet clothes steal heat fast. Sip water. Don't chug. Don't eat snow. Melt it in a container first to avoid chilling your core. Make yourself visible. Tie a bright cloth to the mirror or antenna. Keep hazard lights on. Signal in patterns: 3 honks or 3 flashes for distress. Use a mirror by day, flashlight by night. Movement rule: if you must leave, wait for daylight and clear visibility. Mark your car, take a compass bearing, and follow plowed roads or power lines, not open fields. Deadly mistakes: 3 mistakes kill: wandering in a whiteout, a blocked exhaust, and burning candles inside the car. Avoid all 3. Screenshot this 10-step checklist, your blizzard plan. 1. Stay with the car. 2. Clear the tailpipe every 20 minutes. 3. Run the engine 10 minutes per hour. 4. Crack a window. 5. Layer up. 6. Save battery. 7. Stay dry. 8. Use a bright visibility marker. 9. Signal in patterns. 10. Move only in daylight. Drive safe.